Hi, good morning. Today I am going to explain the calculation of differential gain, common mode gain and common mode rejection ratio of a BJT amplifier. These are the three important parameters, performance parameters used to evaluate the differential amplifier. This is the block diagram BJT differential amplifier. A differential amplifier is an electronic circuit that amplifies the difference between the two input signal while rejecting any signal that common to the both input. Because of this property, the differential amplifiers are widely used in operational amplifier, instrumentation amplifier and communication systems where noise rejection is important. This is the calculate the differential mode gain. The differential mode gain is denoted as AD. The differential gain indicates how effective the amplifier amplifies the difference between the two input signal. To calculate the differential gain, apply the two input signal having the same magnitude but opposite polarity. Calculate the differential input voltage using Vd equal to V1 minus V2. Measure the differential output voltage VOD. Calculate the gain using AD equal to VOD by VD. The next one, the higher differential means amplifier can accurately amplify the desired input signal. The next one is a common mode gain. The second parameter is common mode gain represented by AC. The common mode gain measures how much the amplify the signal that is present equally on the both inputs. These signals are usually unwanted noises or interference. To calculate the common mode gain, apply the same input voltage to both terminals, measure the common mode output voltage VOC and calculate the gain using AC equal to VOC by VC. Ideally, the AC should be 0, which means the amplifier completely rejects common mode gain. Next one is a common mode gain. Is a concept of common mode gain. CMR is indicate the ability to amplify the desired differential signal by rejecting the unwanted common mode noise. The steps for to find out the common mode CMR. They apply the exact same signal voltage VC both inputs simultaneously. Measure the resulting output voltage, which is common mode VOC. Divide the output voltage by common mode input voltage AC equal to VOC by VC. Next one is a common mode rejection ratio. CMR is a measure the quality of different amplifier. A higher CMR indicate that the circuit is high effective and amplify the desired signals while rejecting the unwanted common mode noise. The formula of the ratio of the differential mode gain to common mode gain. The formula is the ratio of differential mode gain and common mode gain. It indicates CMR equal to AD by AC. In terms of decibel, we have to calculate the in terms of decibel. CMR equal to 20 log of AD by AC. Okay, thank you.